Okay, so my buddy gave me this saw. It's a POULAN 2000. It's all metal. Case is all metal. This is all plastic, but it's an older saw. He bought it at a yard sale for like $5 or $10 or something. Been sitting for years. We put fuel in there, about 5, 6, 7 pulls, fired up, ran great. It was in the plastic case it came in the back of his truck, and it filled full of water. I'm not completely sure how deep the water got and how bad it got, so we're going to see. If it's still good. Feels pretty ugly looking, but I think it's fuel. Let's see if it got into the oil. No, it doesn't look like it got in the oil. Looks good. So maybe it's not as bad as he thought. He thought it was toast, so he just gave it to me. Said he probably wasn't ever going to use it anyway, so. This thing is, I mean, it's not even scratched up or nothing. I don't think this thing got rammed hard at all. I am betting that if we put fuel in it, it'll probably run. I don't think it got that deep in the water. Pop the cover off real quick. If you look at this thing is, there's not even any scratches on it. I don't think the water got anywhere near the carb. Looks like that's the air filter right there. Kind of an odd setup. I think it'll run. I don't think it got as wet as he thought. Doesn't look like there's any water in the exhaust or anything. Choke. Let's see, zap it on. Stop, start. Maybe it'll start. A chain brake on it. I don't know if I'd want to climb with it. It's not really. I guess you could climb with it. May have to do a climb with it just for fun. Pretty clean saw. I don't know what year it is. Before they went to all plastic though. You know what year it is? Serial number. I'm guessing probably stock chain, stock bar. Barely has any paint off the bar. Tiny little bit of paint off there. But this thing didn't get used more than an hour. I think this is number 35 in the chainsaw collection.